Alright, you guys, I'm going over what comes in the matte Beats Solo Pro headphones. And these have the active noise canceling. And these are the Pharrell Williams edition. And the Pharrell Williams comes in the more matte edition. Has this blue, it's kind of like a dark blue, light blue, red, and I think black. But on the side here, it's kind of got everything it does that it goes over. It's got a built-in microphone, on the ear controls, so you can control answering calls and stuff from the headphone itself. Fast fuel, 10 minutes of charge equals 3 hours of battery life. The battery goes up to 22 hours with the noise canceling on, and then 40 with the noise canceling off. So personally, I've been using these for when I go to the gym, and the noise canceling, right when I get in there, when you turn on the Beats, they are on automatically. So I turn that off instantly because I've had a couple instances where I'll just put my headphones on at the gym, and they have music that plays in there, and it kind of starts to hurt my head because I'm trying to focus on what I'm listening to on my headphones, but I can also kind of hear the outside music that's playing inside of the gym. So I don't know if that's why I was getting, like, my head would just hurt, like, instantly. It'd be instant headache. So I don't know if that's, the headphone trying to block out that music, or if it's just kind of the mix of both. Maybe the headphone's trying too hard to, get rid of all that sound that's going on. So I choose to use it off, and obviously you can tell it almost doubles the battery life. So, and then there's a transparency listening mode, and then noise cancellation when you're on airplanes, which I'm sure would be really well. I'm sure that's why these kind of were designed, for the noise canceling. You walking around the street, or mowing the lawn, stuff like that. You don't want to be listening to everything else. So I'm just gonna open the box here. So packaging is super nice. So there's that. So now we go on to the Beats box. I had, when Beats first came out, I had the Beats Solos, the very first gen. Those are nice. And then currently I've had the Power Beats wireless. I don't know if they're the second or third version. I didn't realize there was more than one. I think they're the version 2, because it's got the little earphone that goes in your ear part instead of just relaxing over your ear. But this box and the design quality, like, this box feels super nice. And then right here, you're going to open up this bottom tab. And this is what you're presented with. I mean, obviously I've already opened it. So at first you're presented with this case right here. And this case is actually made out of recyclable material. And it's not like a hard case like all the other cases are. It's actually really soft. So I would not be trying to throw this around with your Beats in it. And then it comes with a little carabiner for up top here. It says Beats on it. I thought that was super cool because, I mean, trying to grip the case itself, since it's so soft, it could slip out of your hand really easy. So it comes in this, and then on the bottom here, you actually have, it says accessories, if you guys can see that. Opens up, and then right here, this little tab pulls out, and then it explains the fast fuel, the 10 minutes of charge, 3 hours of play. And then on the bottom, you got instructions to set it up, and then you got some stickers, which I already use the stickers. They're just like the Beat stickers you get with all the other headphones. So setting it up, I was kind of, I was just trying to do it really fast. So I didn't really know what I was doing. So I did have to either look it up online how to do it, or I looked in the instructions, but it was super easy. You just like, I don't know if they come with battery on them, but I did charge them. So you got the USB and then the lightning cable here. And unfortunately, it doesn't come with a wall plug-in, so I have to use my own, which I don't mind. That's what I had to do with my Power Beats I have. So there's a charger, and then we're just gonna open up the case here. But yeah, and then the little zipper's got a little B for the Beats. So and this blue is awesome. So here's the case opens up. And as you guys can tell, they fold up. I know the other Beats, they fold up as well. Personally, I've never used any of the other over-the-ear Beats besides the regular like plug-in solos when they first came out. But just this color is just amazing. See, as you guys can tell, it's already on. So this is your LED light that tells you if it's on, connected, and then also your battery life. Once it goes low, it's obviously going to be red, and when you're charging it. And then there's the plug-in, and then this is for the noise canceling. This little button right here on the left, it's got left and right, left side, right side. So I'll switch these around. Memory foam ear cushions, they're super comfy, and then the headband part is super soft as well. Having them on at the gym for like hour and a half, no complaints. The only complaint is that I have to have these on the smallest or on the tightest setting. And sometimes when I'm doing like sit-ups or something like that where my head is parallel to the ground, they start to slip off. But other than that, I couldn't be happier. Running with them on the treadmill, they fit just fine. They're not, flying all over the place like other headphones do. So this right here, to adjust them, you just pull right here. So, but no, super crisp and clean sound. It sounds great. Like compared to my Power Beats I have that I've had for like 2 or 3 years. These are, way better, and it's kind of made me appreciate listening to music at the gym more, because with listening with the same headphones, you're getting the same sound quality, so you don't know what's sounding different or what can sound better and stuff like that. So these you can up and down right here on this one, like up right here to turn up the volume, turn down the volume, and then B on the right side is actually like an OK button. So to answer calls hands-free, you just push that. I have taken 2 calls with these, and it's perfect. It's clear, especially if you're not somebody that speaks loudly. Like, I've had these on, I was at the gym both times, and they weren't asking me to speak up or anything. Like, the sounds, I guess, super clear. And my wife answered a call when I had them on, and they sounded good. So so there's that. So yeah, if you guys want to pick up a pair for yourself, I highly suggest, especially Black Friday going on, you guys can get some good deals. I know these, some places are 300, some places are like 200, and that's a lot, but you're getting a lot out of these, and with it being wireless and not having to be wired to your phone or anything, that's perfect. And the battery life is amazing. You're getting noise canceling just right off the bat. You don't have to go into your phone and select an app to do that if that's what you guys have been doing. I don't know if that's a thing. But no, these are great, and I highly suggest you guys go pick them up for yourself. I actually won these for free in a giveaway I entered, so super thankful that I won. All I did was buy a poster and windshield banner, and they did like a mini giveaway. They had a whole bunch of, these Solo Pros. They had Apple AirPods. I haven't ever listened to Apple AirPods. Personally, they look like the old iPhone headphones that we would all get with our phones. So I don't understand how they would be better. They're just wireless. But that's just my opinion. So yeah, super pleased with these. You guys should go check it out. Maybe stop by the store if you're able to try them on and listen to them. I mean, I know those probably aren't going to be the best sounding because they've been probably sitting for the demo table for a while. But if you have a family member or friend that has a pair, try it out a couple days, see how you like them, and then go pick it up for yourself. So thank you guys for watching this review on the Solo Pro Beats headphones. This is the more matte edition from Pharrell Williams. I can also say, so we got Beats up top here. I did watch one review on these, and it said that the matte one was going to be like it's not going to be able to show your fingerprints as much. Personally, I have fingerprint smudges all over this, if I'm sure you guys have seen in the video now. But it's not too bad, even being at the gym and sweating. The only thing that gets sweaty is the headphone cups and then the top of the headband. But, other than that, they're super great. And I hope you guys have a good one. And thanks for watching.